Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will thoroughly explore Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of October, 2024, our system has identified Supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Regrettably, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a decline of 2.79% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.28% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at $47.15 would initially indicate a slowing decline and could potentially signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 35% over the next 3 months, with an expected range of return between negative 63.62% and negative 33.57%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 22.53% over the next year, with a possible return ranging from 11.38% to 256.96%. This would translate to a price range of $51.20 to $164.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer brings an important headline. Supermicrocomputer stock has been upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate following Tuesday's trading session. On the last trading day, the stock price of Supermicrocomputer decreased by nearly 4%, moving from $47.80 to $45.97. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.5%, with a low of $44.81 and a high of $48.17. Over the last 2 weeks, there has been a modest gain of 1.37%. Although the volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, it occurred during a decline in prices, signaling a potential early warning. This suggests a slight increase in risk over the upcoming days. In total, approximately 41 million shares were traded, amounting to around $1.88 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $122.90, while the lowest was $22.66. Currently, the stock price is 62.6%, or $76.93, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which stands as the all-time high for this stock. Supermicrocomputer, Incorporated, trading under the symbol SMCI, is currently navigating a challenging landscape as multiple class action lawsuits are being filed against the company. These lawsuits allege securities fraud linked to significant declines in stock price. Shareholders who have incurred losses exceeding $100,000 between February 2021 and August 2024 have until October 29, 2024, to join these legal proceedings. This situation may suggest possible negligence or misconduct by the company's executives, potentially undermining investor confidence. Despite the recent negative press surrounding these lawsuits, SMCI has demonstrated some resilience. The stock experienced a rebound of 10% after an initial dip caused by concerns related to a Hindenburg short report. The company continues to operate under a solid business model, reporting quarterly shipments of over 100,000 GPUs, which could lead to substantial revenue generation. Analysts project an astonishing 205% revenue growth for the upcoming fiscal quarter, with expectations set at $6.46 billion. In the short term, the repercussions of these lawsuits may lead to increased volatility and downward pressure on the stock price as investors assess the risks involved. If the company successfully defends itself and maintains strong financial performance, the longer-term outlook could stabilize, potentially reigniting investor interest and leading to a recovery in stock price. However, the pending legal challenges introduce a level of uncertainty that investors will need to monitor closely. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a buy rating with an initialized recommendation. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Supermicro stock a general buy rating. They also consider the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro. The Supermicro stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, a general buy signal is present in the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $47.50. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $44.47. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will issue a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals were also issued, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal arose from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 16, 2024, and thus far the stock has fallen by 5.7%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 95 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. Supermicro finds support from accumulated volume at $44.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.36 between its high and low, translating to a movement of 7.5%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 75 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $49.27. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to think about for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $44.88. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 26th of August, 2024, Giordano Suzzi conducted an insider purchase of 296 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of August, 2024, Giordano Suzzi conducted an insider purchase of no shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Daniel W. Fairfax conducted an insider purchase of 316 shares of restricted stock units. On the 9th of August, 2024, Tally C. Liu conducted an insider purchase of 515 shares of stock options, which provide the right to buy. On the 9th of August, 2024, Tally C. Liu conducted another insider purchase of 158 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 4.863. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 13,816 shares and sold 15,615 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $43.84, reflecting a decline of 4.62%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate positive momentum. Despite the stock being on a downward trend, we believe the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer to open up 347 cents and begin trading at $46.32. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.